Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more automotive gear reviews, check the links in the description for the best available deals, and drop a comment sharing your recovery setup or experiences. If you've ever been stuck in mud, snow, or sand with spinning tires and no way out, you already know how stressful and dangerous that situation can be. The right tow strap or recovery gear can mean the difference between getting home safely and waiting hours for help. And in this video, I'm counting down the top 5 tow straps and recovery gear options that deliver serious strength and reliability when it matters most. Starting at number 5, the NEIKO 51005A heavy-duty tow strap is built for high-capacity vehicle recovery and towing applications. It features heavy-duty nylon webbing designed for strength and durability, along with reinforced looped ends for secure attachment. The strap measures 2 inches in width and 20 feet in length, providing ample reach for recovery situations. It offers a high load capacity suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles, and the weather-resistant construction helps it perform in tough outdoor conditions. In real-world use, the NEIKO 51005A is a straightforward, dependable tow strap that gets the job done without unnecessary extras. The 20-foot length gives you enough distance for safe recoveries, and the reinforced loops inspire confidence when tension builds. It's best suited for drivers who want an affordable, heavy-duty strap to keep in the trunk for emergencies. The only minor drawback is that it doesn't include additional recovery accessories, but as a dedicated tow strap, it delivers excellent value. At number 4, the METOWARE Heavy-Duty Tow Strap Recovery Kit steps things up by offering a more complete solution. This kit includes a heavy-duty tow strap made from high-strength polyester webbing, reinforced protective sleeves around the looped ends, and durable D-ring shackles designed for secure connections. The strap measures 3 inches wide and 20 feet long, providing increased strength and load capacity for larger vehicles such as trucks and SUVs. It also comes with a convenient storage bag to keep all components organized and ready for use. What makes the METOWARE kit stand out is the added convenience of having everything you need in one package. The included shackles eliminate guesswork, and the protective sleeves help extend the life of the strap during repeated use. It's a great option for off-road enthusiasts and truck owners who want a ready-to-go recovery kit. The small downside is that the full kit takes up slightly more storage space, but the added functionality makes it well worth it. Coming in at number 3, the Sumpluct Recovery Tow Strap is designed for heavy-duty performance and versatility. It features premium polyester construction for high tensile strength and durability, with reinforced double-stitched loop ends for secure attachment. The strap measures 3 inches wide and 20 feet long, offering extended reach and strong pulling capability for various vehicle types. The weather-resistant material helps maintain performance in mud, snow, or rain, and the bright color enhances visibility during recovery operations. On the road or trail, the Sumpluct strap feels solid and reliable, especially when dealing with mid-sized trucks and SUVs. The wider 3-inch design distributes load more evenly, reducing stress points during pulls. It's ideal for drivers who regularly venture off pavement and need dependable recovery gear. The only minor drawback is that it may be more than necessary for small sedans, but for most larger vehicles, it's an excellent choice. At number 2, the Keeper tow straps are known for their durability and practical design. These straps are constructed from high-strength polyester webbing and feature reinforced looped ends for secure connections. With generous length options and strong load ratings suitable for a variety of vehicles, they are designed to handle roadside emergencies and light to moderate recovery tasks. The weather-resistant material and abrasion-resistant construction help ensure long-lasting performance under demanding conditions. In everyday use, Keeper tow straps offer a strong balance between reliability and affordability. They are easy to store, simple to attach, and built by a brand recognized for tie-down and towing products. This makes them a solid choice for everyday drivers who want peace of mind without overcomplicating their setup. The only slight downside is that some models are geared more toward light-duty recovery, but for most drivers, they provide dependable performance. Taking the number 1 spot, the Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap earns top billing for its premium construction and high-performance design. This strap is made from heavy-duty polyester with reinforced loop ends and protective sleeves to prevent wear. It typically measures 3 inches wide and 20 feet long, delivering impressive braking strength suitable for trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs. The strap is weather-resistant and built to withstand harsh recovery conditions, and it often comes with a storage bag for convenient organization. In real-world recovery situations, the Rhino USA strap feels exceptionally robust and confidence-inspiring. The reinforced stitching and protective sleeves add durability where it matters most, and the overall build quality stands out immediately. It's best for serious off-roaders, truck owners, and anyone who wants top-tier recovery gear that's built to last. The only minor drawback is that it may cost slightly more than basic straps, but the added strength and durability make it a worthwhile investment. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 tow straps and recovery gear options you should consider for your vehicle. Whether you're preparing for off-road adventures or simply want to be ready for unexpected roadside emergencies, each of these straps offers the strength, durability, and reliability needed to get you moving again. If this video helped you find the right recovery gear, make sure you subscribe for more in-depth automotive reviews. Check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or recovery experiences.